Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice. Today I'm going to do an organization review, okay? How to organize your kitchen, your office, your bedroom, whatever. But I got this from Costco. It's called Mash Rolling Cart. So I got that from Costco. It's approximately around $70, I think. So my husband assembled it. Very easy to assemble. I think it took him about 15 to 20 minutes and it's ready to go. So it's all assembled out of the box and I'm going to show you how I use it in my kitchen. So you can see my kitchen here. There's a big mess here, but now I will show you, since I have this rolling mash caddy, which is right here. There's one extra counter space, so I put all the fruits in on top. And if you're drying some thyme or something like me, I'm drying some basil, I let it sit. Now, the reason I bought these mash cart is because I always have in my kitchen onions and onions and potatoes, which are always near the window. So a lot of things rot. And also now they're getting a lot of air, and I have my potato in my potato sack separate, as you can see. And I have my red tomatoes from the garden as well. So these are things that I can put in the drawer, hide it away. When I need it, I take it out. The bottom ones, the bottom mashes, if you can see it, let me see if I can move the bottom mash. If you look at the bottom drawers, I put my cleaning supplies in here. I put my broom and stuff in here. So top are vegetables, and here I can use this countertop for fruits and everything. So I really like this handy cart for sure. So I would highly recommend this product for organizing your kitchen. So please do try it out. Very easy to assemble. Use it in your kitchen and make your kitchen look so beautiful. So thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel and sharing my tips with your family and friends. And make sure you give me a thumbs up and comments and share. I really need more subscribers and your support always. Thank you.